All right, guys, let's get you signed into Delta Math. Now, I'm going to cover two things in this video. I'm going to cover how do you create an account, so if you didn't use Delta Math last year, and then how do you sign into your old account and add me as a teacher. So there are two different things going on here. If you don't remember using Delta Math last year, what you're going to do, once you click on the link that takes you to deltamath.com, you're going to go here to create account. So I'll click on that, and you're going to choose student. Now notice it's right away asks for a teacher code or access code. Now I already put it in here, but it normally looks like this. You're going to put in my teacher code, which is 130149. You can pause the video if you need to go ahead and do that. And notice it pops up with my name. And then you need to select your class period. If you don't remember which class period you're in, go to Google Classroom and check and see which period of geometry are you logged in for, and try to select that correctly. Then you're going to need to put in your name. Now, please put in the name that the school calls you by. I know I might call you. You might prefer something different, but what shows up in the grade book, put that as your name. So that way, when I'm putting the grades in, I know who I am, who I'm putting grades in. If you put kind of like a nickname or something, it's possible that I will miss putting your grades in the right place. So put your given name here, so that way we can make sure you get the credit for doing your work. Put your school email in here, and then put your lunch code in for the password, and then hit create account. Now, if it pops up and says that there's an email already attached to a Delta Math account, then that means that you had an account a previous year. So if you're new to Delta Math, hit create account. If that happens, or you remember having a Delta Math account last year, what you're going to do is you're going to put your email in here and your lunch code there. So let's go ahead and see what it's going to look like on your side once you sign in. So if you signed into Google Classroom rather than create an account, it's going to look probably something like this, or it might have some old assignments from last year if your last teacher didn't clear it out. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to hit Manage Login Courses. So go to Tools, hit Manage Login Courses, and notice it has a place for you to add your teacher code. This is if you didn't create a new account, if you're using your old account. And once again, here you're just going to put in the code, and again, it shows up with Mr. Arslan, 130149, and again, you'll select the class period. Once you do that, you should be able to see your assignment, and you can watch the next video to see what to do with that particular assignment.